Nothing really changes from the packaging on the for the shoes, but then you turn to the shoes. I don't know about this one, bro. Hey, what up, guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. We finally have another Vapormax here in the channel. It's been a while since we had one. I think the last one was the ACRONYM Collab back in like June, I think it was, or July or something like that. But today we actually have the Vapormax 2019, which I got straight from Nike for 190 bucks, the retail price. Now, some really quick note about Nike's box this time around, a little bit smaller box, and also they changed their tape. So now it says just do it across the tape instead of having the regular like white transparent tape that they usually put in their boxes. I don't know if they're just doing this for the holidays or if they're actually moving towards this type of tape, but I gotta admit I prefer the other one. Ooh, the Vapormax. I thought they were gonna change the Vapormax box. I was actually pretty concerned about that. I was waiting to see if they would change it from last year's, which they did. I think so, right? The swoosh used to be smaller. Actually, let me go ahead and turn it so you guys can see it better. I think the swoosh used to be smaller on, no, not last year's, but right, because the original Vapormax came out when 2017. Then 2018 we got the Vapormax 2, and then this one's Vapormax 2019. They sent it with 2 bags of air. I saw that this one released the other day on Nike, so I just kind of got a little vibe to it, and I was like, maybe I should get it. Size 11 today for these, which was also another concern for the whole Vapormax with the regular ones and then the Moc ones. I kept getting the sizes wrong for whatever reason, so hopefully for this one I got some better luck. Why on the... Ooh. Vapormax branding still on the paper. Nothing really changes from the other, from the packaging on the for the shoes. But then you turn to the shoes. These look, oh no, I don't know about this one, bro. See, I haven't taken the shoe out. I haven't taken it out yet, but the bubble is looking kind of fugly on these. Alright, let's see. Plus, they're also like pressed down. What? So whoever put the paper here on the shoe, we got to put it all the way in, I guess, and they just left it here, and that's why it looks like this. If you couldn't tell by now, they are not Flyknit. They went with that mesh kind of. Actually, are these transparent? Not really. They're... So it's the same mesh that Nike uses for the transparent shoes, so the Zoomfly SP or the React Element 87. It's that same material, except this one's not fully transparent. Like, you can see a little bit. Maybe you can peek that right there. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get started with the details. So Nike swoosh right here on the inside, and on the outside are this specific colorways like this off-white, or it's got an off-white tone to it. So staying over here on the inside, coming from the bubble, and then running towards the strip over here on the heel area, you have the word Vapormax repeated a couple of times. But then below that, on the, I don't even know, on this extension, I guess we can call, of the bubble, you have Vapormax written once again. But you do have these bands over here. They have a name, because I know I saw them when I got the Zoomfly SPs. I don't remember the name for them, but they're supposed to be for adjusting the shoe. A lot of stitching. Nike's been loving, I think that ever since the Off-White collection with Virgil, they've just been doing a lot of stitching on their shoes, which I don't necessarily mind it, but let's just try new shit as well, you know? But yeah, so the stitching over here across the toe box, and then this one running from the bubble, and this little curve across the front, and then back into the bubble. Now going towards the outside, really the same details that we were able to find on the inside. I did forget to mention that there's this little bit of cushioning over here, right below the collar on both sides. Oh, no way, they took the Nike swoosh and then the Air Max below the heel on the bubble. That's a shame. But besides that, the Vapormax bubble is really the same as the previous models. Anyways, on the tongue you have this duct tape. Oh god, it's really reflective aluminum duct tape looking filling to the front of the tongue, and then you have this piece of material stitched onto that says Nike Air. Now going once again towards the laces, you don't have the fly wire for adjustment, These two middle lace hoops are pulling on the bands to bring the shoe closer to your foot. On the insole, you do have Vapormax with 4 plus signs around the word. These, yeah, that's really it. They don't really come with a lot of details, at least not this original first release for the 2019 version of the shoe. Pretty special. I'm kind of like in the middle with these. Not super convinced for them, but also not hating them completely. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Babs Money Bags.